Hi, my name is Jeannette. I'm a physical therapist at XO. I've been working here with Reena for the past 8 months.
Hi, my name is Reena Garza. I'm a patient here at XO Physical Therapy.
So I met Reena back in September 2020. So we worked for the last 8 months together. It's kind of funny how we came across each other. I did one of her reevaluations. I know she had been working somewhere else for physical therapy. So when I met her, her history pretty much came to be that she came for a simple MPFL surgery and osteotomy. And then a little while after, her knee became infected and she had to undergo a revision for her surgery. And that's when she was pretty much told she would never play sports again and to pretty much restrain from squatting and doing anything heavy lifting. When I first saw her that one time for the reevaluation, it was hard for her to even just stand up from a chair without like shifting towards one side and her quad really shaking from like all the weakness that she had.
So yeah, when I came in 2019 with my first surgery, we had kind of a decline, I guess we could say, or I don't know, things didn't go the way as planned. And then in September of 2020, I had a second surgery. That's when I met Jeannette. We had an evaluation. We worked till January, went back with my doctor. The doctor that told me I wasn't going to be able to ever go back to sports or squat again. I got discharged with him. After that, we just focused on getting back into sports, and now I'm returning to sports this coming season. So.
Yeah, I mean, I thought it was interesting that even in her prior physical therapy experience, she wasn't pushed hard enough to just pretty much, as a 15-year-old, she wanted to play sports, and she's pretty young at that age to say that she will never squat again, she will never play sports and do things that make her pretty much happy. So I picture like why people, or why it's the physical therapy or the doctor saying that, you know, stay to basic things like longer quads, you know, simple like little easy things, not being pushed. So when I met her, I started to pretty much introduce the strength and conditioning principles to strengthen up the quad muscle and get her to just pretty much, she can do a sit to stand from a chair, so let's pretty much work on that from a higher surface. And little by little, we went progressing until we pretty much finished up squatting a good amount of weight. Pretty much when she was told she would never squat again or she shouldn't squat again. And now she's been cleared by the doctor to return to sports, volleyball and do jumping. And she's made a good progress. It's been such a fun time to work with her. I think it really made push myself too to really create a program that would be efficient for her, and you know, pretty much work for an athlete. And it's been a great experience.
So I want to start off by saying thank you to Jeannette, who pushed me, I guess, every time I came to be the best that I could. To the facility, thank you to XO, the receptionist, everyone here. They're very friendly. If y'all are looking for a physical therapy clinic, I 100% recommend XO. I want to thank my physician who recommended me here.
And I think, you know, it's important to know that many of us go through, you know, simple daily life activities, and we don't expect for things to happen. For example, like in this case, going through surgery, that's pretty much an everyday procedure that is expected to pretty much progress well, and all of a sudden you have something adverse happen, such as an infection, and it pretty much sets you back, and you pretty much get told that you'll never do what you once loved before. And I really want to say thank you, and I appreciate the trust that Reena gave to me, because I know when you get told that, you know, you will never do this one thing again, it's also like putting she put a lot of trust in me to get her back to something that she really wanted to do, despite what other professional judgment was telling her. And I truly had a lot of fun working with Reena, and I'm so proud of how far she's come. And now that, you know, she's back at playing sports, even considering doing jiu-jitsu, I'm very happy for the work that we put in together. And it's been such a great journey to just be a part of her story and just be here to help her, just like we help all the other patients.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Jeannette.